Hello everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabata. Today I'm going to present a new topic focusing on expressions, especially daily use English expressions, which are very important to improve our communicative skills and our oral fluency. Maybe the expressions that we use every day is different, so we use a different expression in different contexts, which encourages us to develop our effective communication. One thing, it encourages us to use or to create new language expression. Second, it also encourages us to use new vocabulary words. The third one, it also encourages or motivates us to make sentences which have meaning and able to communicate with one another. So, and also more importantly, it improves our pronunciation skills. Okay, so the first time or the first thing that I'm going to present today is two daily use expression. The first one here is, what time is it? What time is it? When do we use what time is it? አንድ ኤክስፕሬሽኖችን በየቀኑ የምንጠቀምባቸውን ኤክስፕሬሽኖች እንዴት ነው የምንጠቀምባቸው? ለተለያየ ኤክስፕሬሽን፣ ለተለያየ ሀሳብ፣ ለተለያየ ጉዳይ እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። ስለዚህ ዴይሊ ዩዝ ኤክስፕሬሽን የኛን ኮሚኒኬቲቭ ስኪልስ ዴቨሎፕ ያደርጋል። ኢቭን our ways of making, ways of generating ideas encourage ያደርገናል። And also it encourages us to use different vocabulary words. We are not only fixed on using some common vocabulary expressions, right? Common የሆነ expression, common የሆነ vocabulary wordን ብቻ እንድንጠቀም ሳይሆን variety of vocabulary words እንድንጠቀም encourage ያደርገናል። ስለዚህ ዛሬ የምናየው what time is it? What time is it? The pronunciation is what time? What time is it? What time is it? How can we use what time is it? I'm going to give you at least more than 50 ways of using what time is it. Okay? What time is it? Daily use expression ነው። ይሄንን 15 ወይም 16 አካባቢ ኮንቴክስቶች ነው ማሳየው። The first one, just right here, I have a class. So the first here just spoken English. So just what time is it? If I want to know the time that the class begins, I should use this expression, what time is it? I want to know the schedule of the class. So, what time is it? I have a class. Nice. This one thing, please. Second one, there is a conversation between Fasil and Betty. How are things, Betty? They're okay. May I invite you to outside? Yeah. No, thank you. I have an appointment with my friend. By the way, what time is it? Yeah? This is called also another ways of using what time is it. There is a conversation. First greet with my friend. How are you? Just good, and you get, yeah. Are you free now? Yes, I'm free. I invite you to outside in the cafe. No, just no, thank you. Maybe another time. I have an appointment with my friend, or I have a class. By the way, just I'm in a hurry. Just what time is it? Well, it is 4:30, it is 2:30, 3:30. Okay, thank you. Baba, you can just depart just one hour. Right? Just when you are in the middle of discussion with a friend, and maybe one of your friends tries to invite you, but you are not engaged to be invitee, and you can just depart with your friend. What time is it? Yes, what time is it? Another way, please. Yeah. Second way. The third one, please. እንዴት ነው ሶስተኛ መንገድ? What time is it? Yeah. Nice, please. Wow. I'm so tired. I feel hungry today. Because, just I haven't eaten my lunch. Yeah. What time is it? Is it the time for lunch? It means, right? ዛሬ በቃ ደከመኝና የሆነ ስሜት የረሃብ ስሜት ተሰማኝ። ሳስታውሰው ምሳ ያልበላው ይቅርታ አልበላሁም። What time is it? Is it the time for breakfast? Is it the time for lunch? Of course, this is also another ways of asking or using the expression, what time is it? I'm very hungry. Yes, right. Question number 4. Family and here is another person, and Fatima make a conversation. So at this tea break, some leave from the office. They are in the office, and maybe Fanaya looked her colleagues who left the office, maybe going to the cafe to have tea break, coffee. So, and I don't know what time is it. Just my friends are outside. They are around the coffee shop. Yeah. Wow. Is it 4:30? Is it 4? So what time is it, by the way? What time is it? She wants us to ask the time she takes a rest. She takes a break, actually. Yes. What time is it? What time is it? All right. What time is it? Even though what time is it has different, the same function, but the context that we use is different. All right. What time is it? አንድ አይነት ሰዓትን የምንጠይቅበት ኮንቴክስት ቢሆንም ግን የምንጠቀምበት ኢንቫይሮንመንት ይለያያል። ሁልጊዜ ሰዓትን ለመጠየቅ ብቻ ሳይሆን ለምን ጉዳይ ሰዓትን እንጠቀማለን። yes ለምሳሌ ሶሪ ዲቲ ብሬክ ያ የሻይ ረፍት ነው እንዳው የጓደኞቻችን ከኦፊስ ወጥተው ሻይ ቤት ተቀበላቸው ያ so yes I don't know what time is it አላውቅም ስንት ሰዓት ነው nice please yeah another one number 1 there's a conversation between your mother and you, maybe your sister and you, maybe your wife and you. What can I do for your breakfast? What can I do for breakfast? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Look here. Is it the time for breakfast? He asks to her. No, I don't know. I'm not sure. What time is it? What time is it? Have you seen it? Yeah. What time is it? Look here. What can I do for him? Course, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I like him. By the way, down. No. Yes. Hesitation. Feelers. Yeah. What time is it? Because I'm not sure whether it is the breakfast time or not. What time is it? It's 1:30. Of course. Yes. You make just fried eggs, please. Fried eggs with bread. Fried eggs with bread. Yeah, right. Nice. This the few ways of using what time is it. Another one, please. Wow, just here. Look here. I'm waiting for my friends calling. Maybe you are standing somewhere there. One of your friends meets you. What are you doing here? Yes, I'm waiting for my friend. Waiting. Where does he come? He's from Piazza. By the way, what time is it? What time is it? Oh, it's 4:30. Oh, he's late. I'm waiting here for more than 30 minutes. So we can say that, what time is it? What time is it? Nice. This one other way. Number 7. Look here. Look here. My friend has a plan to come to my home to visit me today. Let me make things ready. What time is it? ጓደኛዬ ወይም ጓደኛ አቤት አንተ ጋር ኢንጆይ ለማድረግ ይመጣል ስለዚህ የሚፈልገውን ነገር ሬዲ አድርገህ ነው የምትጠብቀው so wow what time is it oh let me make ready please I think he gave me an appointment to come to my home at 4 but I don't know the exact time whether it is 4 or not oh my friend has a plan to come to my home to visit me so let me make ready things all right what time is it wow it is yeah it is 3:30 half time that's okay what time is it here what time is it to make readiness you have better ask time to make things ready before your friend comes to your home so you can ask time please yeah these are other ways of using what time is it next one yesterday at this time there was a heavy explosion I remember yeah, I remember yesterday I was frustrated because I heard explosion of guns yesterday at this time. Wow, let me yes I think this what time is it? It's 4:30 exactly 4:30. The explosion was exploded at 4:30 yesterday. I remember the time please. This is also another remembering things happen in the past and collocate with the happen things with the time we're speaking whether the thing that happened yesterday is similar with the thing that I'm talking now. So that is called what time is it? I want to recheck the time, reconcile the time. What time is it? What time is it? Of course, that's true. This is another way of using what time is it. Nice. Nice. Number 8. Number 9. Look here. We don't want to miss a fraction of a second for my exam. Nice. Right. Look here. Let me know the time. Oh, no. Yes. Today I have a spoken exam. I think the teacher didn't tell me the exact time that the exam begins. Let me check it, please. Yeah. No, but our spoken teacher is actually, he's sometimes aggressive. He'll punish me when I came to his class late. Isn't it? So, no, friend, I don't want to miss a fraction of a second for my class. Let me know the time. What time is it? Because I must arrive to that university, that my class before the time, the exact time here. I don't want to miss a fraction of a second for my exam. Let me know the time. What time is it? Yeah. No spoken exam ላይ እኔ መመሬ ትንሽ አግሬሲቭ ስለሚቆጣ አንድ ሰከንድ ማባከን አልፈልግም ስለዚህ ቀድሜ ከፈተናው በፊት መገኘት አለብኝና ሰዓት ማወቅ አለብኝ ስል what time is it ስንት ሰዓት ነው please what is the purpose of asking the time because I must arrive to my exam room before the exact time before the beginning before the exact time okay before the exam time okay that's the use of what time is it here next all right next, number 10. Wow, the plane lands on at 5:30 from Japan. It's a 6-hour flight. Yeah. What time is it? Because I'm waiting my friend. He's from Japan. From Japan to Ethiopia, the flight it took at least 5:30 or 6-hour flight. Right, the flight began I think 12:30 in the morning. And the plane lands in Ethiopian Airlines at 5:30 around. So I check. I want to know whether it is 5:30 or not. So what time is it? What time is it? Yes, right? No. All right. Plane asort ተኩል ከጃፓን የተነሳው ስለዚህ 5 ተኩል ያርፋል። ስለዚህ yeah, right. 6 ሰዓት ነው ከጃፓን ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ኢትዮጵያ የሚወስደው ሰዓት የነበረው. Let me check. So what time is it? Let me check my time. What time is it? What time is it? Well, of course, it is time. 5:30, maybe 5 minutes or 2 minutes. I think, of course, yeah, you can say that. What time is it? Okay, this was another ways of asking, another ways of using what time is it? What time is it? All right, number 11. Another what is today? It's Sunday. I will invite you a very interesting film which was produced recently. Yeah. Frank, nice idea. I'll be available in the afternoon. At this 7:40? I said, I don't think. What time is it? A very important, a very nice conversation between Asir and Frank here. What is today? Sarik Arumano. It's Sunday. I said, I'll invite you a very interesting film which was produced here. Sari, እሁድ ከሆነ ሰዓታችን ነው። ስለዚህ ራሳችን መስራት አለብን። በጣም ማራኪ የሆነ ፊልም ሪሰንት አሁን በቅርብ የተጻፈ ጋብዝሻለሁ አለቻት። በጣም የተቀደሰ ሐሳብ አቢ አቮልቨን ዛፍቶም ከሰዓት በኋላ ይመቸኛል ነው yes right is it 7:40 now ጠይቀቻት no I don't think what time is it no I don't think what time is it means she wants us to check the exact time that the film began the exact time that the film began what time is it have you seen it yeah you can discuss you can make a conversation a discussion with your friend and you want to know the time that something happens so you can use what time is it because this is another ways of using what time is it the context is also different here next one patient look here patient I'm waiting for the doctor because I have an appointment with him you come nurse you come wow what do you mean he's late what time is it ዶክተሩን እኮ እየጠበቅኩ ምክንያቱም ዶክተሩ ጋር ቀጠሮ አለኝ ነው he'll come nurse አምናለችኝ he'll come ይመጣል አለችኝ ዋው ምን እያልሽ ነው he's late ዘገየ እኮ ስንት ሰዓት ነው አሁን yes ስንት ሰዓት ነው he expresses his angriness because he took my time in waiting for the doctor because he has an appointment with the doctor isn't it? Expressing an agreement whether some time is past or not. What time is it? I'm waiting for the doctor because I have an appointment with him. How come now? Well, what do you mean? I don't think. He's late. What time is it? Can you check your time, please? Can you check your time, please? This is called the use of what time, okay? The use of what time, yeah. Number, this is actually, አሁን ያየነው 12 የዋት ታይምን አጠቃቀም ነው ያሳየሁት። What about you? How can you use what time? በነገራችን ላይ 12ቱንም ስንሰራ የተጠቀምባቸው ኮንቨርሴሽን ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ቮካብላሪዎች ኮምፕሊትሊ ይለያያሉ። በተለያየ ኮንቴክስት ነው ማሳየት የፈለኩት እኔ። So what about you? እናንተስ እንዴት ተጠቀሙበታላችሁ? ሁለተኛው ማሳየት እንፈልገው good idea. What's good idea means? We know the phrase good idea. Now call it good idea. When do we use good idea, please? Yeah. He proposed me nicely. Good idea. Yeah, right. I asked my friend one thing, but he proposed me very interesting advice. Yeah, thank you, my friend. You are really my intimate friend. I appreciate for the advice you gave me. You proposed me. Good idea. I proposed me. Good idea. Nice. One way. Could you join it? It's helpful for my prisoner work. Yeah. Actually, I want to start a business work with my friend, and we have already discussed some more things. So my friend just very interesting idea, which make us productive. So wow, really good idea. You generate. It's helpful for our business. It makes us productive, profitable, and will be an investor after a while. Nice. Okay, just is good idea. Okay, good idea. Now, actually, it's not the exact place and time to study our spoken English here. So let's adjust another very convenient place. Yeah, of course. Which one? Let's go in the library here. Is it convenient to study? Yeah, of course. Why not? That's a good idea. Let's go. Another use of good idea here. Another use of good idea here. Yeah, the way you understand is new to me. Good idea. The way you understand is new to me. Good idea, okay? አንተ የተረዳህበት ለኔ አዲስ ነው። በጣም ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው። ምክንያቱም የሰጠኝ ሐሳብ ለኔ አዲስ ነው፣ ማራኪ ገንቢ ነው። ስለዚህ good idea, of course. Yes, really nice to negotiate them. Good idea. Yeah. We are in the middle of negotiating two of my friends. There is something between them. So we create or we discuss, we raise some critical issues. We try to convince and make them agree. So the idea that he generates is really important and makes them to make their strong relationship, to continue for their intimacy. So that's good idea, really good idea, which is important. Nice. You can just use ጓደኛ ጣሉ ጓደኛ ተባሰራት የሚያፈልቀው ሐሳብ ማራኪና የሚያሳርቅ ከሆነ good idea, nice ብዬ ልሄድ እችላለሁ። This is the shortest to reach there in this time. Let's go on this way. Good idea. I want to visit my friends. I want to visit my friend, but I don't know the shortest way actually. Maybe I don't know. One of my friends told me that this is the shortest way, and it will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, sure. Do you know that? Yes, of course, I know it. Yeah, that's good. Good idea. We save our effort and energy. So let's go on this way, please. So let's go on this way. Nice. Nice. Another way, please. There is mathematics puzzle questions. Actually, I did it, but I can solve it. My friend helped support me to do the question in a very short way. No. Don't waste your time in solving these questions. There is another short and very clear common strategies. That's okay. Can you show me that? Okay, come on, please. Do the first one just like this. Nice. Thank you. I appreciate for sharing your idea. Good idea. Good idea. Nice. You know, she faced economic challenges, so we should contribute some money for her school fee. Good idea. So you'll be the coordinator, right? አንዷ ጓደኛችን ከግቢን ታቋርጦ በኢኮኖሚ ክራይሲስ ምክንያት ስለዚህ ተነጋገር ያ እና ማቋረጥ ያለባት ስለዚህ ምንኛ ምንግባባው ምናምን የሆነ ሳንቲም ኮንትሪቢዩት አድርገን የትምህርት ቤት ክፍያዋን የኮሌጅ ክፍያዋን ሼር እናደርጋታለንና በዛ መልኩ ልጅቷን ማጠራከር አለብን ጊቭ አፕ ማድረግ የለባትም ተስፋ መቁረጥ so that's good idea let's do it please you'll be the coordinator good idea you'll be the coordinator this is also another way please so you can do it nice Number 7. No, this is not the right method to calculate. First, we remove the variables and calculate them. Just good idea. No, here that's a good idea. I mean. Number 8. We first study the business types, the customer is the place where we work, the capital, and so on and so forth. Before we adjust the preconditions, we cannot build or we cannot operate a new business in the town. So we first fulfill the preconditions, okay? The preconditions. After that, we'll start our business. Wow. And then the first thing here is, after analyzing for the theoretical aspects, we have to change into business plan. And then, depending on our business plan, we'll start our business. Nice. Good idea. Nice. Good idea. ቢዝነስን ከመጀመራችን በፊት መጀመሪያ ቅድመ ሁኔታዎችን ማመቻቸት አለብን። ከነዚህ ውስጥ እነዚህ ነገሮች መመቻቸት አለባቸው። ስለዚህ ከዛ በኋላ ቢዝነስ ፕላን እንዘራን። ቢዝነስ ፕላናችን በሚያዘን መሰረት ስራችንን መጀመር ያስችለናል። Good idea. Let's continue. Nice. You can just use do you see how we use good idea? Yeah. This is the commentary. Nice. Next one, please. Yeah. Good idea. Thank you. What? I asked my friend to share me something about my own problem, my academic problem, my social problem, my economic problem, my political problem. What? He gave me dozens of ideas. I really thank you, my friend. You are really a wonderful guy. Good idea. He told me, please. All right? Good idea. Do you know just how I use good idea? Yeah. Good idea. Let's do this one this way. That's good idea. Let's start. Okay, good idea. That's right. These are the approaches or the way, the context that is good idea. So what I want to say here is expression. Every expression doesn't have one meaning, one context. We use in various contexts. It encourages us, it encourages you, it encourages me to develop my oral communication, my oral fluency. The more you use, the better you improve your spoken. እንግሊዘኛ መናገር አልችልም አሉን። ልክ እንደዚህ የምጠቀም ከሆነ ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም በቀላሉ በአጭር ጊዜ ተናጋሪ መሆን እችላለሁ ማለት ነው አይደል? ገብታችኋል አይደል? what time is it? 13 14 መንገድ good idea at least ይሄው ብታዩት ነው 9 ኮንቴክስት ከዛ በላይ መጠቀም እችላለሁ። Do you understand me? That's from family link. Yeah. Family link with Mr. Kabbalah. Thank you, please. Yeah. Don't forget to watch and subscribe my channel. Next time, we'll continue the third daily use expression. What do you think? You know what? All these is going to present next time. Please, thank you.